Hello IT pros, welcome back to my IT workshop. Today what I wanted to show you is something I've been doing for about a year now, and I find it very interesting and useful. I hope you find it that way too. So as you can see, I'm using Bing search engine. I am also using Microsoft Edge, which is the web browser that they have. So you can gain points by using Bing. Well, both the web browser and the search engine. If you see in the top right, I have 21,000 points. And if I go to see all, we're going to see the ways that you can actually gain points. So this is my account. You need your account, like you log in Google or anything. You get this kind of, you gain points by, for instance, tired of pie, because this is the Thanksgiving week. And if you click on it, you're going to see this, I don't know whether to call it ads or not, but you just click on it, you see those Cupheads, and that's pretty much it. You have any other options like polls, like warp speed quizzes that you can do it in less than 5 minutes, even less than 2 minutes. So if I click on points breakdown, you can see that you can gain 150 points per day if you use a PC. So if you want to make even more points, you can install the Bing the Edge web browser and the Bing search engine on your cell phone, and you can gain more points. Just by using Edge, you gain 20 points. Of course, you can gain more by shopping in the Microsoft's web store or Microsoft store. So what do you do with your points? Well, you can redeem them for different prices. For instance, we have a few TVs, a few laptops, a few Xbox, a watch, but there is a caveat. If you don't live in the US or Canada, I'm not sure about Australia and United Kingdom, but you cannot redeem this price. I mean, you can, but you're not going to receive anything if you win. And besides, these big prices like TVs and cell phones sometimes and all that, laptops, they are like a lottery. So you redeem points and you get like lottery tickets and you get selected. But they don't do that very often. However, if you have another way to redeem your points is if you have an Xbox, you can buy the pass for a year and you can play many games, or you can buy it monthly or whatever. But this is what I wanted to show you, gift cards. So you can redeem the points for gift cards, and you can use them to buy software. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But you can redeem this. For instance, $10 gift card cost me around 10,000 points, right? And you can get 10,000 points in around 1 month, all right? So it's not really difficult to do it. So so that's what you can do. If just by browsing, you can gain points and redeem them for Microsoft gift cards. So now let's go back, and we're going to see a few things. Like I mentioned, you have many other things. You have some games that you can redeem, small games from Microsoft. You have the gift card, Xbox gift card. You have a Skype credit that you can call to real cell phones or real phones, real old phones. Okay, here I am in the Microsoft Web Store. And as you can see here, I have games that I can buy. Again, well, not again, it's the first time I'm going to say it. The library they have when talking about games is not as big as, let's say, Steam. It's not as big. They have many games, but not all might be of your liking. Or perhaps they are. If you don't like games or something like that, you can redeem them by movies. You can redeem them by TV shows that they have available. Again, this library is not as big as, let's say, Netflix or Amazon Video or any other platform that offer this kind of service. But you have the library has been growing for Microsoft. So you have you have many options here. For example, you have Ant-Man and the Wasp for how much was it? $4.99 or something like that. You can rent them, you can buy them. If you are not really into movies or games, you can redeem your points for books. Again, the library is not as big as other platforms, but you have a lot of options here. Let's go back to games. The one I want to buy today is called, you might have heard of it. It came out last year, I believe September, October. I don't really remember, but I'm sure you might have heard of it. Well, I'm sure. I believe you might have heard of it. It's called Cuphead. and you have it there. And this game that is available in the Microsoft Web Store costs around $20, $19.99. So that's what I want to buy or redeem my points. So I go back to the hot deal that I have here from Microsoft, this one came out this week. So I'm not sure how long this is going to be, this offer. So for $10, $10 is going to cost me 7,000 points, which is way less than 10,000. So I just click redeem, confirm my reward. Yes, I'm sure it's going to be sent to my account, to my Outlook account. In the past, it was called Hotmail. So since this is my account and I use it frequently, for security, I have added my cell phone. So I enter my cell phone number and I'm going to receive a code. I received the code 5 seconds or less than that after I click send. So once you receive the code in your cell phone, you type them there. And that's pretty much it. It's telling you we are adding this value to your Microsoft account, your email. It's going to take 24 hours, which is not true. It takes less than 5 minutes in my case. I never had a problem where it went more than 5 minutes. So I'm going to log into my account again, because for security reason it asks you to do. And as you can see, I have $10. I had $0 before. The only caveat here is that you have around 3 months to use this credit. So otherwise you're going to lose it. So that's the only thing. So as you can see here, I have until February 14, 2019 to spend this point. Now as you can see, my points have been reduced around 7,000. And I need 10 more dollars. So I'm going to do exactly the same. I go to redeem. I'm going to look for this offer, hot deal, 30% off Microsoft gift cards. This is new again. It wasn't here a few months. Last month, for example, this was not available. So I click redeem again and confirm reward. Since I have redeemed two gift cards in less than 5 minutes, I believe, it's not going to ask me for that confirmation again. So I have $20 now. So I come back to Microsoft Web Store, I click buy, it's asking me for my PIN, which I didn't really remember, and I'm going to type my password. So after I type my password, I'm going to click sign in, yes, buy with Microsoft account, which I have only $20, and I click buy. So it is loading, come on. And here, the game, it's about 11 gigabytes, and it's giving me by default where to install it in the C drive, which only hosts my operating system, so I don't want it. I'm going to choose another partition, another physical drive, physical disk to install this game. So I click install. As you can see down, it says pending, acquiring license, downloading Cuphead. So 2 megabytes, 7, and so on. So this is going to take a while. So again, if you, we are back on the software part of the Microsoft Store. As you can see, we have Adobe Photoshop Elements 2018. If you're into, well, it costs a little, it's a little high, $99, almost $100. So if you are into modifying pictures, you can choose that as well. The software I'm circling right now is the one I bought a few months ago. It cost me $3, which is PayNet. I know it was free in the past, but I believe it's not because I looked it up. And it helped me a lot when modifying pictures for my videos here. And that's what I can tell you. It's useful. I mean, it's money that you gain just for doing what you already do, which is web browsing. And oh, disclaimer, I forgot. This video is not sponsored, not paid. I'm not associated with Microsoft in any way. I just believe this is a good perk to take advantage on. So you can, again, you can make points by just doing what you do every day, browsing. So that would be for the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you have any question or comment, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I encourage you to do so. Thank you again. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.